Oh, hi there! Nice to see you again. You're probably wondering, again, another YesStyle video? Yeah, but hold on. You are actually going to benefit from this one. So, follow me. YesStyle is having 15th anniversary sale. And to celebrate that, they make a promotion for all of you, well, and me, obviously. YesStyle now gives you an opportunity to shop with 15% off without minimal spending. How to do that? Well, let me show you. Firstly, you need to follow YesStyle on the Instagram. Then you will need to go on the YesStyle page and register as a customer. Here you can follow them and get to your silver member status, and then you can complete your customer profile to get 200 points as well. Collecting points gives you a bit more like discount, kind of like a credit. So that's a great thing to do as well. Just for your knowledge, and you put in your IG name and you are ready to go and shop for 15% off. Isn't that good enough for you? Well, if that's not good enough for you, then with my influencer discount code Glam Coffee, you can get additional up to 5%. That means up to 20% discount from your whole order. So what are you waiting for? Go shopping. And by the way, those outfits I showed you throughout the video, yeah, those ones, you can get all of them from 20% off. So I don't know why are you still here. Have a good shopping, guys. Oh, and if you are still here, YesStyle also offer beauty products. Bye!